Hello students, we are going to talk about the follow-up questions of the cue card topic, describe a difficult thing you did. As you know, what kind of follow-up questions will be asked to you in the examination depends upon the cue card idea that you discuss. It will be a good idea that you go back and check out the idea that I have discussed in the main cue card. The link of the main cue card is in the description box so that you can watch it and connect it with these follow-up questions. Let us begin. The first question is, which tasks are difficult for children? Some tasks that they do for the first time are mostly difficult for children. The difficulty depends from child to child. Sometimes it is also the attitude of children towards a task that makes it challenging for them. Those things that are beyond their understanding also makes it tough for children. Let's look at the second question now. Which tasks are difficult for elders? If elders are not updated with the new technology, then some technological gadgets become tough for them. Additionally, sometimes they have lost their touch with certain things. So due to lack of habit, some things become tough for them. Third question, how can we make difficult things easy? Practice is the key to make difficult things easy. It is essential to understand the mechanism and then keep practicing it. We should also change our attitude towards things and have a readiness to learn. The next question, how can parents teach children to deal with difficult situations? Parents can work on the attitude of children. They need to make them brave and be ready to face any task. They can also be a role model to children and exhibit the actions of learning and doing things themselves. Let's look at the last question. What kind of situations require people to be brave and adventurous? Situations which are not in our control require us to be brave and adventurous. For example, any kind of financial or health related crisis or the pandemic like situation. I would like to announce to my IELTS academic students that there is going to be a small writing course for 5 days, and in that course you will be taught how to write bar charts, pie charts, tables, line graph, process diagrams and maps. The fees of the course are only 250 rupees. The course will begin on the 15th of November 2021 and will go on till the 19th of November 2021. The timings are going to be 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. in the afternoon, and this course will be online on the Zoom platform. If you wish to register for this course, you can contact me directly and register yourself as soon as possible. All the best. अगर आपको मेरे आइडियाज़ पसंद आते हैं और आप मेरे आइडियाज़ की बुक को ख़रीदना चाहते हैं, परचेस करना चाहते हैं, तो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए गए नंबर पे आप मुझे डायरेक्ट संपर्क करके, डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट करके इस बुक को खरीद सकते हैं. यू कैन परचेज द बुक बाय कॉन्टैक्टिंग मी डायरेक्टली विद द नंबर गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. ये बुक में सारे नए क्यू कार्ड्स हैं, उनके फॉलोअप क्वेश्चंस हैं और पार्ट 1 के इंट्रोडक्शन क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स भी मौजूद हैं.